All right, folks, we're here to learn how to make graphics for our drop cards. Previously, I had a couple of programs. One was called Usign, which I absolutely love, still use, but it's a very expensive program. And then there was another program, I think it's called Pencil. I'm not real sure, but anyway, something like that. But the problem with that program, although it's free, is you can only make 10 changes and then you have to pay for it. This software, Image Maker Pro, I'll make available down in the description somewhere. It costs $37 one time, and you can use it for wherever, forever, for as many graphics as you want to. And it also comes with another program that you can post automatically to Facebook, but that would be for another video. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make this graphic here. I'm going to zero it out, and then I'm going to come back in and show you how easy it is to make. And then we're going to go over to PDF Escape, and I'm going to show you how to put it up there on your drop card. So what we want to do is we want to have a transparent background in order to get the transparent background, but it's also going to erase everything on here, which is good. That's because we're going to come back and redo that. So I'm going to go here and hit clear canvas, and this makes it the thing transparent. Now I can set a background if I want to, but for the purposes of doing a drop card, I don't want to do that. So I want to hit clear canvas, and are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, my canvas is clear. Now, ahead of time, you want to type out what you want to put on your drop card background, and I have mine here in a file here under DC Graphics. Here's my copy, and let me get rid of some of this stuff I don't need. Shrink this down a little bit. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell you is the canvas width 600 by 400 high. I find that works out pretty good, so we're going to stay with that. All right, I'm going to copy this portion, and I want to come up here where it says text, and I'm going to paste it in there. And you have to play around with these and see what you like. I like the I think it's the Fugas 1. We'll try and see what that looks like. Yeah, that for that portion of it. So now I want to bring this. I need this at the top and at the bottom, or actually I want it at the top and then at the bottom. But when I get like that, so I don't have to type it out later again, I want to clone it, and then I want to take one of them and I'll drag it down to the bottom. Now I'm going to have to resize it, but I'll show you about how to resize that here in a little bit. It's very, very simple. All right, so try to get it to the center as much as you can. I wish it had an automatic centering feature, and it might. I don't know this program very well. Today's my first day using it, but I want to get out there where you can see it. Okay, my next, I'm going to go this right here. Need more money. Copy that, dude, and come up here to text. Put it in there. Add the text, and I'm doing this in real time, so you'll see. I mean, the video might be a bit on the lengthy side, and I want to change it to a different color. Put it red, but I want it bigger too, so I'm going to resize it. It's really easy to resize. I don't really like that font. I want it to be bold, so let me look for something else. Well, I like that font, but it's not exactly what I want at this point. So, much better. Bangers. All right, you kind of get the idea. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pause the video and upload the rest of it, so you don't have to sit here and hear me rattle on. So I'll be right back. Something I wanted to add here. I made this twice, so if I like one, I like this one better because it's short on one line. This is going to take 2 lines, so I'm going to get rid of one of them. So you highlight the one you want to get rid of, and you just hit delete. Okay, when you got it kind of like you like it, it's not perfect. I don't have it lined exactly center like I like it, but you kind of get the idea. I'm just trying to make this as a instructional type video, and you're going to want to play with it. You know, it may take you 20-30 minutes. It may take you an hour. You want to get it right because it's going to go on your drop card. So next thing I want to do is I want to add a graphic. And I like a check mark here. I'm right 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 here. Down. I like that one. All right, I have it right there, and I want to move it down to here. Oh, I must have duplicated, but that's okay because I need several of them. Anyway, you kind of get the idea, and it takes a little bit to get them. This is a really powerful piece of software. So I'm here working on this, and I like that check mark. I want to clone it and move it on down. Again, like I said, not perfect, but I just wanted to show you what it's going to look like. Now, what we want to do is we want to save it, and it tells you it's saved, and you want to export as a PNG. Now it goes to a blank a screen here. Simple, just right click on it, put copy image, and it's going to hopefully bring you. Oh, I'm sorry, save image as is what you want to do. You want the dialog box to pick up, and I want to go to where I'm working on everything on my desktop on my DC graphic page, and I want to put it in there. Just name it whatever you want. See, graphic 2. Right. That one if you want to. And now what we'll do is we're going to upload it to PDF Escape. So that's pdfescape.com. And where it says free online, do that one. Where it says upload PDF to PDF Escape, click on that. And right now, what I want to do is upload my the drop card template. Now I have a couple of them. This is the one for the old style. The new style is a little bit different, and that's why you're going to want to be able to adjust your graphic. So this will upload here pretty quick. It says another 14 seconds, so we'll see. All right, it's uploaded. Now I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to go here to the image, and I'm going to browse for it. I put it in here, graphic number 2. And it says uploaded. In order for it to get to the pier, you just have to left click, and it'll appear. And then you drag it, and well, it's kind of big there, so we're going to shrink it up and try to make it fit up in there. We may have to make an adjustment. All right, it's okay. I think sorry about that. The upper one probably could use maybe a little bit bigger, and the lower one needs to be smaller. So I'm going to go back to that. This one needs to be bigger. Let me see if I can stretch it out a little bit and make it bigger. Maybe make it longer. And then this one here needs to be smaller. Let me go look at it. It's okay height-wise. I can make it a little bit higher height-wise, but I also need to shrink it in some. Now on the new $100 bill, it can be bigger because it's configured a little bit different. So what I want to do is hit save again and export as PNG. Right click, save image as, and it's going to be, I'm going to put the same one as graphic 2 because I don't need 2 of them. So replace it. I can get rid of this, go back to PDF Escape. Now I'm going to leave that one there for comparison's sake, but we're going to upload a different image. So come back over here, graphic 2. It says it's uploaded. I'm going to left click and it'll appear. Let me shrink it down a little bit. And it just takes a little bit to get it in line right. Now this right here, as you see, it's over a little bit too much to the right. So I'm going to go back and want to bring it over to the left a little bit. Save. It's saved. I'm going to export again. Right click. Save image as. Graphic 2 again. Good. Let me get rid of it. All right. Go to PDF Escape. Let's upload another image. There it is. Uploaded. All right. So you see, it's very easy to make the adjustment to what you need, and you can change the colors, whatever color you want. You can put it in black and white. All right. I almost like it. I think it's a little tall. And over a little bit maybe. And you can do some more tweaking, but I'm gonna let you do the tweaking. There. I pretty much like it. I think it's where I like it. So I can go up here and delete that. Come up here, delete that. Come up here. I can right click and duplicate, and I get it lined up there. I can right click and duplicate. And so what I need to do is just go ahead and get all those lined up just like I like them. If I need to tweak it again, I can go back to the program and tweak it again. But once I have all 8 of them lined up, I can go over here and hit save, and then I can go ahead and hit the download button, and saves my file to wherever it goes. I wanted to put it back to my DC graphic folder. There it is. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to just name it trash because I'm going to have to trash that one. But it helped you out. This is a really cool program that I really like. That we're going to make available to you in the description somewhere below. I'm sure it is. And if I can help you out, reach out to me. You have my contact information on the download page. And have a great day. Thank you.